In this video we will talk about how to burn body fat. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Losing weight is a big worry for many people. Each year, yet another diet book, exercise plan or fat-burning potion is added to the pile in the closet. None of these get-thin quick gimmicks seem to work, and in some cases, the fat returns in greater numbers than it left. The big question is, how to lose body fat, and how to keep from finding it again. All of these fat-busting plans are ignoring the basic truth of weight loss. You have to work hard, and carry on working hard, to lose inches and keep in shape. A quick loss plan does not cover you for the period after you complete the program. The most important factor in burning body fat is diet. No matter how many hours you put in at the gym, if you are still consuming more calories than you burn, you will carry on gaining weight. Take a close look at your diet. An ideal weight loss program includes regular meals, and a fat limitation diet that is 55% carbohydrates, 30% protein, and 15% fat. Cutting fat out of your diet completely, or skipping meals, could convince your body that you are starving, and this means it will try and store whatever fats come its way, exactly the opposite of what you wanted. Exercise is another important factor in weight loss. Burning body fat means getting the body to use stored fat as an energy source. The intensity of exercise, the length of time the exercise is performed for, and diet are the major factors in influencing the body to use fats instead of glucose for fuel. The most suitable kind of fat-burning exercise is aerobic. A low to moderate exercise of this kind will burn fat, whereas the higher intensity exercise will just burn glucose. Any exercise will burn more stored carbohydrates at the beginning, and it usually takes between 20–30 minutes for any fat to be burned at all. Regular aerobic training should be complemented with some weight training. Many people are intimidated by this, especially as it is possible to gain weight when you begin. However, resistance training is essential if you wish to build muscle. Muscle cells burn calories more quickly than fat cells, 50 to 100 calories per kilogram of muscle a day as opposed to 5 to 7 per kilogram of fat. Strength training is the best way to increase muscle mass, and in addition to an aerobic exercise will help burn body fat. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.